YouTube, what's going on? Y'all already know who it is, who I be. Y'all know what I'm about to say. Y'all already know who it is, who I am, who I be, and what I do. You know what, all that, what I'm about to say. But we back with another Kia Stinger banger. Y'all already know what's going on, man. I'm about to head to pick up my front splitter, and then I'm gonna go get my Kia Stinger badge, LED drilled and put in on my trunk today. So we about to get it popping, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Kind of a how-to video, how to install the little light, because I haven't seen it on YouTube, so why not do it here first, you know what I mean? But y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all already know who I am, who I be, what I do. It's KPZ TV, man. Yo. How did you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash can, and in the fast lane. I wonder where that Harry went. How did you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash can, and in the fast lane. How did you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash can. Yo, I'm back. So like I told y'all, I was going to pick up my front splitter, right? What y'all think this big ass box is right here? That is my front splitter. I shouldn't be bending it like that, so I'm about to take it out. But that's my front splitter, bro. That shit is big as hell. I'm so excited to get it put on, man. And then I'm about to show y'all my my badge, or LED badge I'm about to throw on real quick. So this shit right here, hopefully you guys can see the full thing. It's Stinger with LED. My guy Coop finna help me out. The one who did my underglow lights with me. He about to help me get right, man. And it's chrome, and I'm trying to get rid of all the chrome on here. So my guy at Forgiato Cat, my boy Kyle, we gonna paint it. I think we're gonna go gloss black or matte black, depending on how I feel. And then hopefully sometime this week, my guy Luke Smith, y'all go follow all them. Hopefully my guy Smith help me throw that on. Maybe I can throw it on today, depending on how much daytime we got left, and if he got the right tools, we can do it. Hopefully we don't have to take the front buffer off. I'm praying we don't have to, but if we do, we gotta do what we gotta do. We just modding the Kia Stinger, man. You already know what I mean, man. And then sometime this week, I'm supposed to be getting my my roof wrap, my mirrors wrap, and my grill wrap. So that's gonna finish the wrap up for the car for now. But man, we about to be here in a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all already know who I am, who I be, what I do. It's KPZ. We out. Y'all, so I missed the part where he got dang drilled it. Nah, you can't drill it now. It's already in there, man. So this is our little hole that he drilled. My camera was acting up. Coop don't be trying to let me get no footage. Don't let me be good or anything.
Copyright purposes.
Copyright purposes.
I ain't trying to be famous. Not yet.
Oh, he gonna get there though. We gonna get up there.
An actual shot. I'm gonna start my YouTube page.
YouTube Coop. Get at it. Nah, I ain't got one yet. But nah, we already drilled the hole. I'm about to see if it go through. I'm pretty sure it go through. So we sending the wire through here.
See a light?
Oh, nope. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna see the where the thing at. I'm gonna try to see if I can
Oh no, yeah, cause the hole up there anyway. So you looking right here, the hole all the way up there.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna let him do this. You see it from there?
No, I'm gonna try to put the wire through and try to catch it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to try to catch it. Cause I think it's above like that little notch right there. Y'all, I'm over here touching shit and about to get the drill bit stuck in my car.
Let me get some more wire.
Probably gonna be long enough. So like I said, we finna run the wire through this little hole right here, and then we're gonna take this tail light out and connect it to the tail light. Hopefully Coop know what he doing, cause I told him I don't fuck with electricity.
It rains, I'm about to try to rush through this. Well, not rush, but get all this.
Yeah.
Where does this wire go to?
Which one?
Brown wire.
I don't know. It's some brown wire in the tail light though.
Okay.
I think it's
or it,
I want to say it's turn signal.
either turn signal or it probably turns red when the car brakes. Probably a brake wire. Cause you probably got a all white light, and when you brake,
That'll be dope as
it's supposed to
hell.
turn red.
One of them did have red on it, so it may do that.
Yeah. I know the red and black is power and ground, so this wire is so thin.
Ooh, boy, where would I be without you? No underlights. LED.
Like I said, it's just good you had caught me that day I was doing with Lewis' car.
Hell yeah. I would have asked Lewis too though. Now Lewis, who did your shit?
Lewis only want to tell nobody because he wanted to be the only one.
Oh, I already know. I would have been the same way, but I'm trying to let you grow. Make some money. Everybody trying to get some bread.
So we got black. Then we got brown. That's what red. So
How you gonna notice it?
I got brown wrapped like this. Black.
Oh, my guy's smart, y'all. Look, he got them wrapped in different. I made time lapse this, but I'm just talking. And then he's gonna leave red.
Yeah, so I know which ones when I pull them through.
Okay, we getting somewhere, y'all. I hope all three of them fit. Y'all, so my camera had died, but we just figuring out what wires go to what. We had it plugged into this, but the wire won't reach, and I don't want to make another wire, but if we have to, we got to. So now we're trying a different section to see if it go to these tail lights. Does it have to be plugged in for it to light up though? Like adapted, you know what I mean?
No, but since the power's still on, like I said, this is still hot wire.
Oh, gotcha. So yeah, we just trying to knock this out. All right, so we got the wires connected. I'm gonna need your flash when you're done. So I don't know what you do. What wires you connect to what?
So basically the ground and the regular power wire, but the brake wire, we're having difficulties with the LEDs and the actual light, so we're not gonna hook up the brake wires, but it will always stay white.
Which is something I want, so I'm not tripping. But I will email this company that I got it from, Cartoons, and let them know my light is messed up. So if I do want another one, I got pictures and proof that it's messed up, and they better send me a free one, or I'm gonna give them all bad reviews.
No, companies hate them bad reviews.
Man, I don't give a damn. They better send me one, and I'll tell them too. And the red wire ain't needed, is it?
Nope.
Yeah, like you said earlier, we ain't get the little clamp for the wires, so we just taped them pretty much. You talking about them things you can pretty much melt on there, huh?
Yeah. So that it
Stay compressive.
All right, now the fun part. Put everything back together.
Yep, so here we go. And this GoPro hot. But y'all, we just got finished. That's what it looked like. I don't mind, license plate is just temporary. I think that's dope. So at the bottom, some of the LEDs are out. Like I said earlier, I'ma call the company and see if I can get another one, since we know how to do it now. Cause usually it go pink. I mean, it go red when you hit the brakes. But right now I just got it white, and I'm gonna turn my underglow lights on to see how I look with that. But as y'all see, my guy YouTube Coop got his too. His is pretty dope as well. Y'all go holler at him. He did my underglow lights too. Let me turn them on, turn them white. So there go the white underglow lights. They kind of look bluish, but I think it go together. That's pretty hard. But I like the blue though, but that hard go, that white hard with it, white on white. One more angle. But y'all, man, y'all go get at my guy, man. YouTube Coop.